Hello everyone, my name is Biraj and I welcome you back to my new YouTube channel Something New Again. In this video, I would like to share with you 4 3-ball juggling variations that I learned from YouTube. I am not a professional juggler. I have learned whatever I have learned by watching YouTube videos and practicing all myself dedicatedly. So without wasting any time, let's start with the first variation. This move is called cascade. It is a beginner move and it is not very tough. If you practice it seriously, you can also learn it just within an hour. You do the cascade with 2 balls in your right hand and 1 ball in your left. Then throw 1 ball up from your right hand to the left. Then as the ball comes down, immediately throw the left hand ball under to the right to catch the ball coming from the right hand. Now do the same thing with your right hand. Keep repeating the movement without making a pause. The balls will surely keep falling all around initially, but that's absolutely fine. As you keep practicing, the falls will decrease and your muscle memory will build up. Practice will make you perfect. After learning the cascade, one move came very easily to me, which is called the reverse cascade. Once you have learned the normal cascade, you will take no time to get it. All the throws for the reverse cascade are similar to the normal cascade, except instead of throwing the left hand ball under, you throw it over the approaching ball. Friends, now that we have seen the second variation, it's time to move to the third. This move is called the Mills Mess and it can really test your patience and dedication while you are initially learning it. When I watched the tutorial for the first time, I was very confused about the movement as it looked very confusing and complicated. Therefore, I had to watch the tutorial 3 to 4 times by reducing the speed of the video to really understand the throws and how the movement was being made. It took me full 5 to 6 hours of practice to finally somehow do the move, but I was still not comfortable with the throws. The throws looked messy. So it took me another 3 to 4 days of practice to able to do the move comfortably and smoothly. So friends, if you also enjoy and want to learn cool juggling tricks and variations, please check out the description below where I have put the link of the channel from where I prefer learning. And with that being said, let's jump to the fourth variation. To do the W, hold 2 balls in your right hand and 1 ball in the other. Then throw 1 ball from your right hand straight up towards your shoulder and throw the second ball from the same hand to the left hand. Next, catch the first ball and immediately throw the third ball straight up towards your left shoulder and catch the second ball. Again, throw the first ball to receive the second ball. Keep repeating the movement. Notice that the first and the third balls do not cross. Only the second ball travels from right to left and left to right. This move is also not very hard. With a little bit of practice, you can easily get it. So friends, that's all in this video and I thank you so much for watching.